Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Now, in the last class, we have finished physics 3 lessons and chemistry also 3 units. Okay. Those who have notes, just open that. We have to paper xerox, no?
No.
Yes. Those who have that, open them and keep in front of you. Those who don't have, get it as soon as possible. Clear? Okay. In the last class, we have discussed about what lesson?
Electricity.
Electricity. Yes. Now we will go for the light of it. Okay. First of all, what are luminous objects? What are non-luminous objects? What is light actually? What is the use of light?
To see things.
To see things, or light is making us to see the things?
Light is making us to see the things.
Yes, light is making us to see the things. Due to light, we are able to see the objects. Why? Because light rays falls on the objects and that reflects on our eyes. Whatever it is getting reflected on our eyes, we are able to see the objects. Can I see what is there back on my board?
No, ma'am.
Why I cannot see?
Because
The light which falls on the blackboard is not reaching my eye. So I am not able to see. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because the light reflected from the board reaching your eyes. Understood? So here reflection of light makes the object to see by us. Okay. So what is reflection here? The light ray bouncing back when it touches a smooth surface. It is called as regular reflection. Okay. When a beam of light or parallel beam of light that touches a smooth objects, what happens? It bounces back. Okay. That type of reflection is called as what? Regular reflection. When it is hitting a smooth surface. When it is hitting a irregular surface or not smooth, rough surface, what it is called as? Irregular reflection. Okay. We have two types of reflection, the regular and irregular. If light falls on the smooth surface, then the reflection will be regular reflection. If light falls on the rough surface, then reflection will be irregular reflection. What is medium? What is medium? What is optical medium?
Through light travels.
Through which the light passes is called as optical medium. Clear? For example, air is around us. Is air an optical medium or not?
No, ma'am.
Air is an optical medium. Why? Because light is passing through the air. Is window optical medium or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Optical medium. Window.
No, ma'am.
No, sorry, door. Wooden door.
No, ma'am.
Wooden door is optical medium or not?
No, ma'am.
It is not an optical medium. Why? Because it is not allowing the light to pass through it. Mainly, all the opaque objects are not the optical medium. Transparent objects are the optical medium. What are transparent, translucent and transparent?
Transparent which we can see clearly. Translucent which we can see.
Transparent which allows light to pass through it, where we can see the light. Whereas opaque which does not allow the light to pass through them. Example, wood or book. Translucent which allows only partial amount of light to it to pass through it. Okay. This is regarding transparent, translucent and opaque. Clear everyone? Next, homogeneous medium and heterogeneous medium. Did you listen these words? Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are also same. Homogeneous which will be smooth, same as regular surface. Regular surface which spreads the light rays evenly, which reflect the light rays evenly, they are called as homogeneous medium. Whereas heterogeneous means which spreads the irregular reflection of light. Okay, they are heterogeneous medium. Clear? And do you know what is ray of light? A single ray through a light source is called as ray of light. For example, if it is like this, the light is passing from A to B. This is instead by a light. Do light rays travel in a wave form or in a straight form?
Waveform. Straight line.
There are light rays always travels to a straight line. This is what we have discussed in the pinhole camera. Did you listen camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Their light rays always travels in a straight line. That is the reason we are seeing the inverted image there. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? That means let us always travel in a
Straight
line. What is converging? What is diverging? See, one ray of light is called as ray of light. One single line. If it is number of lines like this, then it is called as parallel beam of light. All the rays are parallel to each other. Then they are parallel beam. If it is like this, if it is like this, what?
Converging.
Converging. Why? Because they are all coming to one place. From different direction, it is coming to only one point. And it is called as converging beam. And what is this one?
Divergent beam.
Remember, these arrow marks are very important mark. Okay, this arrow mark point out. Light is going from this point to other point. Here from other points to this point. Clear? Convergent, you come from other places.
Ma'am.
In that one. Open that one.
Again it will come. Ma'am, again it will come. Ma'am. Keep out.
Give to ma'am and Charlie.
Understood what is converging and diverging?
Okay.
Diverging means what?
From
It is diverging?
from one point to other points.
From one point to all directions. Converging from all directions to one point. Clear everyone? From your houses to one class you are coming. That is what?
Converging.
Converging. Diverging means from one class you are moving to your different houses. That is called as diverging. Understood what is converging and diverging?
Yes.
Now coming to the lesson. We'll study. Do you know what are incident light, reflected light? Incident ray, reflected ray.
Yes, ma'am.
Already we have discussed, I think, last year in 7th class.
Yes,
We discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, whatever place is there, wherever light falls, it definitely reflects back.
Yes, ma'am.
If it falls on an opaque object, what happens? It reflects back. Yes or not? So here, this is a mirror. If light ray falls at this point, what happens?
It will reflect.
Reflects.
It reflects. Then what is this ray called as?
Incident ray.
This ray from which
The light passes.
The light passes
Through mirror.
on the
mirror.
surface. Okay. It is called as
Incident ray.
incident
Ray.
ray. From mirror again it is going to the same medium. No? So what is called as
Reflected
what?
ray.
Reflected
Ray.
ray. So here from light source to the mirror it is called as
Incident ray.
The point at where the incident touches the mirror it is called as
Reflect.
Reflect.
the point where incident ray touches the mirror. It is called as what? Incident point.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The point where the light rays travel and touch the mirror it is called as incident point, and the ray is called as incident ray. For example, if there is a ball here, only one incident ray falls in the mirror.
No, ma'am.
If only ball is there, only one incident passes the ball. Number of rays will be passing. Okay, but to understand, I have to only one
Ray.
ray. Clear? Understood what is incident ray? After falling incident ray near the incident point, what happens? It reflects back. Okay, that ray is called as what?
Reflection
ray or reflected
ray.
Understood what is incident and what is reflected?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be one more line then? In a plane we have incident ray, reflected ray, and what will be one more line? Normal. Where it will be?
Middle, ma'am.
This one?
Middle, ma'am.
Vertical plane which is perpendicular to both incident and reflected ray or the mirror. Which is perpendicular to the mirror, it is called as a
Normal
normal
ray.
plane or line. And what is angle of incidence? What And what is this? This angle called as
Angle of reflected ray.
Reflected ray and the normal. This
Normal.
called as what?
Angle of
Angle of reflection B. Okay. Now this angle is called as what? Between the mirror and the reflected ray. What is the angle called as? Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Only two angles we have in a light. You did not understood. Did not listen in time. Angle of divergence. Angle of divergence. Did you heard?
Yes, ma'am.
That means the angle between reflected ray and the mirror, it is called as what? Angle of
Divergence.
divergence. Clear? What is angle of incidence? The angle formed between the
Incident ray and the normal ray.
is called as angle of incidence.
Incidence.
And what is angle of reflection?
The angle formed in the between of
Normal line
and reflected ray
is called as
angle
angle of
of reflection.
and the angle formed between the reflection line
And the
reflected ray
mirror-
and the mirror is
Mirror
called as
angle of divergence.
diversion. So here angle of incidence, the angle called the angle, ray of incidence and the mirror is also called as angle of
Divergence.
Divergence. Clear? For example, if angle of incidence is 60, what will be angle of reflection?
60.
Why?
Because the normal ray is in the between of incident and reflected ray.
Why? Because this is a two laws of reflection. What are the laws of reflection? First one, always incident ray, normal and reflected ray lies in the same plane. This is the same plane. Yes. So we have incident, we have normal, and we have reflected. These three lines or three rays always have been in same plane. That is the one law. And what is one more law? What is one more law? What is one more law? I have written here.
Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection.
Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of
Reflection.
That means if it is 60 here, what will be this angle?
60.
Then what will be this angle of divergence?
180 minus 60.
180 minus 120, ma'am.
Why?
Because we
Ma'am, that is 180 degrees, ma'am.
This is 180 degrees.
Yes,
That both are 60 means 120 degrees.
180 minus 120, how much?
40.
So this is 40.
20.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is 20, this is 20, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 120.
180 minus 120 is how much? 40.
60.
60.
30,
What
30,
happened
ma'am.
then?
30, 30.
30.
Instead of that, single assumption. This is a right angle. Yes? This is a right angle. In right angle will be for how much degrees?
90 degrees.
90. 60 is finished here.
90 minus 60.
How much is it?
30.
90 minus 60. 30. If this angle of divergence is what?
30.
If this is 30, this one will be also
30.
30. Simple. Instead of doing plus, minus 120, 180, directly you can do this. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, normal line, angle of divergence, laws of light. What are the two laws of light?
Angle of
Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection.
What is one more law?
and normal.
Incident ray, normal ray, reflected ray always lies in the same plane. Clear? First law is incident ray, reflected ray, normal always lies in the same plane. And second one is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Clear everyone? Understood till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts till now here?
No, ma'am.